Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Geek. Today we have with us one more true wireless earphones and they are the Wings Vibe. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and show you how they perform. In the front of the box we have the model name and the picture of the product. And here at this side we have some key features such as 24 hours of playback time, touch controls, neodymium drivers, voice assistant support, and they come in matte finish. At the back of the box we have the MRP, which is Rs. 7,495. But guys, these earphones are available right now for just Rs. 1,499. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we have the earbuds and the charging case. We will look at them in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the warranty card, and with these earbuds you get the 1-year replacement warranty. And then we have the user guide, which has the box content info and the information about the touch controls. And here we have the Type-C charging cable. In the box you also get 3 pairs of extra ear tips. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the earbuds closely. Wings Vibe are the in-ear style true wireless earphones. I find the build quality pretty good, keeping in mind the pricing. The matte finish on the earbuds as well as on the charging case looks pretty good. Apart from this matte blue color, they are available in grey, white and black color. In terms of the overview, the earbuds are of good quality, and here you have the Wings branding, and above it we have the touch sensitive panel. You get the dual mic in these earbuds for voice and video calling. And here at the bottom you have the charging points. Talking about the battery, the earbuds comes with the battery capacity of 40 mAh and the case has a battery capacity of 430 mAh. In terms of the charging case, the earbuds are magnetically attached to the case while charging, and you also get the LED light in the front indicating the remaining charge. At the back of the case we have the charging port, which is Type-C, and it's good to see that in this price segment. Now let's pair the earbuds with our phone and we'll see how is the sound quality. So for pairing, like any other true wireless earbuds, you need to take them out of the case and they will appear in the available Bluetooth device list on your phone. And once you pair them with your phone, these earbuds supports auto pairing. Now before we test them, let me show you different touch controls. So single tap on the right earbud will increase the volume, and single tap on the left earbud will decrease the volume. Double tap on either of the earbud will pause and play soundtrack. Long press on the right earbud will take you to the next song, and the long press on the left earbud will take you back to the previous song. You can call Google Assistant or Siri by triple tapping on any of the earbud. Now let's talk about the most important thing, which is the sound quality. The first thing I noticed that the isolation is very good with these earbuds, and you get good passive noise cancellation. And guys, as they are lightweight, they're also very comfortable. Now about the sound quality, I'm really happy with the performance of these earbuds. The clarity is very good and you get punchy bass from these earbuds. They are loud, yet you will not hear any distortion in the sound. So overall the 6mm driver in these earbuds offers punchy bass with strong mids and highs, making them ideal for any genre of music. And in under Rs. 1,500, I can tell you they are value for money. The battery backup is also good, and in one single charge you can get 4 hours of playback time. The dual mic in these earbuds also performs good, and you can use them for voice and video calling. So to sum it up, if you're looking for a decent pair of true wireless earbuds which not only performs good but also looks stylish, then definitely check out these newly launched Wings Vibe true wireless earbuds. They are available to purchase on flipkart.com for Rs. 1,499, which is an introductory price. And in this price segment, they are now my favorite in terms of the sound and the overall performance. And guys, as usual, if you like them and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Wings Vibe truly wireless earbuds. Let us know if you like them, and also do tell us your favorite feature of these earbuds in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.